Hey everyone, welcome back to Automate with Amit. We have seen in past, in 2024 and 2023, how AI is shaping the whole industry and how AI is going to change the whole world. And in software testing industry also, we are seeing a lot of AI tools which are coming into the market day by day. So in this video, we are going to see what are those top 10 different AI tools for testers. Also, some of the AI tools which I had already covered in my previous video where I had covered different AI tools in 2024. I think I had released one video where I had already covered some of them. And in this video, I have included some of the new and some of them are older ones which have changed a lot in this 1 year. So don't forget to watch the full video because the 10th one is my personal favorite and I have created videos on that also. So let's start this video. So let's see what are those AI tools which can help testers become AI testers. So now if you see over here, I have covered top 10 tools for testing in 2025. Some of them are already part of my previous video where I had covered AI tools for testers. So here also you will find some of them because they are also market leading and they are also coming up with new changes. So here the first one, let's see which one is in the list. So first one is Functionize. So here if you go and you can check, this is the #1 agentic automation platform for enterprises. So agentic is test AI agents. Actually nowadays it's new in the market, and how test agents are working based on that only this Functionize automation tool works. And they have different types of testing which they support. So they support end-to-end functional database, API, file testing, localization, codeless, collaborative, different types of testing you can see over here, visual testing, AI testing, editing, different automation on cloud, self-heal, smart fix, so many things they cover. So they have EAI, enterprise application intelligent agents. I think this has already been this has been added latest in 2024. So that's why Functionize is very good tool. And what I like about Functionize is it has very good presentation. If you see the website, actually it's really good. So I like that also. So you can have Gen AI related things also, from idea to automation, effortless work creation made simple. So they cover a lot of things. Architect enable user to create user workflows by simply interacting with application through the need for without the need of coding a skill, adaptive learning. So they have already implemented machine learning and all. You can pinpoint issues instantly and keep your workflows running in smoothly. So what it does, actually it helps in your diagnosis part, where it identifies and troubleshoots issues in automation workflow, pinpointing root cause of the failures. So that is good, right? Because generally what happens, we spend a lot of time in doing all of these things, debugging if our test fails, if our test is flaky. So root cause analysis, do real-time diagnostics, and what remedy actually we can take. So recommends potential fixes or resolution. So it is very good tool. So this AI tool is very nice and it helps in a lot of things. So you can go and check out this website also. Now let's come back on the second one. So let's see which one is the second one. So this is Test Sigma over here. If we go on the website, this is also one of the fastest moving AI tool in the whole software testing industry. So they have also 10x faster test automation powered by Gen AI. So this is basically Gen AI based automation tool, AI automation tool. So here also you can see what different things they they offer web testing, mobile testing, API testing, Salesforce testing. This is a new addition to this. So this also adds test development, test execution, reporting and analytics, test data management. So all of this you can use in here. The good thing on this platform is it is cloud-based platform. So whatever data you are going to store, everything is gonna be here. So those things are going to helpful. Another thing you see, just now they have added Test Sigma Copilot, which is Gen AI assistant over here. So it actually, what it does, it was built on top of the Gen AI assistant. So generate test cases automatically within seconds, suggest additional test scenarios for significant coverage, improves QA teams productivity and quality. That's what is AI for, right? So they have a lot of things, maximizing maximum automation coverage using Copilot for Gen AI powered test automation, accelerated test cycles, early bug detection. So all of those things they have with the help of Gen AI. So basically you can say this whole automation tool is mostly driven by Gen AI. And the if we see this one, this is mostly AI, machine learning, and deep learning. All of those things have been implemented in the Functionize, but TestRic is here. So if you want the comparison, also just mention in the comment box if you want comparison of these all tools together, and which one is having good and bad things. So you can mention in the comment box and I'll create videos on that also. Now let's see the third one. Which one is that? So the third one in the row is here. If you see Catalon Studio. So if you see this particular Catalon is a platform actually. So it provides you multiple things. It is not just only related to AI, but it offers multiple things. So Catalon Studio is another product they have where you can take help of it is a bundle of products. Basically it is not only one thing, but if you see Catalon Studio, actually it has multiple things: create tests faster, runs test, debug and maintain easily. So all of those things are there, and it helps a lot of things. So if we see the products, actually it has runtime engine, so flexible on prem execution for CI/CD. So it has integrated CI/CD also. Test cloud is also there, which means it executes your tests on the test cloud, which is on Catalon test cloud itself. Test operations, so whatever things you wanted to run on the things like for the test orchestration, connecting to DevOps, or basically whatever is required to do all of the testing related things. So if you see test ops, actually quality and dynamic execution also it helps with. So all the testing operations actually it helps with. So Catalon basically have multiple things in one particular tool. So you can see there are multiple things which it helps with. So it helps us with web testing, mobile testing, API testing, desktop testing. So this desktop testing is not with other two. So this is the plus point with Catalon, that it helps with multiple things, multiple ways of automation you can do. This desktop testing, actually I think it's not available in other two AI tools, but it is available with Catalon. Next tool in the list is TestRic. So TestRic, again, it is also Gen AI based AI tool. So here you can run your test cases, you can write your test cases, you can if you see in here, this also shows that how you can create your test cases, and it is going to automate the whole test cases for you. So you just write what different steps you wanted to automate, and it is going to create all those steps. It is going to literally write automation for you, and it executes like this here. So if you wanted to see the different how these automation tools work, or these AI tools work, I will create the video on separate AI tools also. So if you see what actually it helps with, it helps us with many things, like if you see top features, it has no code, codeless testing. So basically you need not to write any single line of code. That's what it tests with. Web testing, mobile testing, desktop testing, Salesforce automation. So this also helps with desktop testing, which is very good, and Catalon was also doing that, and others. I think these first one two were not having thing with desktop testing. So that was not there with other two, but this TestRic is having desktop also. So you can read out through these things also. I'll mention the links in the comment box, and description. Basically, you can go and check out all these features, or if you want me to write or create a video on different AI tools which are here, so I'll create that one also. Now let's go on the next one, which is the fifth one. And in here, this is the Apply Tools. So Apply Tools is basically specialized in visual testing related thing. So if you see, it helps with visual testing. Basically, most of the time it helps with Apply Tools intelligent testing platform combines our proven visual AI and with new Gen AI, so reliable no code approaches and any of your existing test automation. So basically it mainly focus on visual testing. So if you don't know what is visual testing, let me know in comment box and I'll create video on that also. Okay, so in this here, if you see Apply Tools, actually what it helps us with, it helps us build powerful automation for any team. It helps validate visual AI, cross-browser testing, accessibility testing, release strategies, execute also test orchestration, self-healing test. Nowadays, it is very common that every AI tool is going to have self-healing test. That means if your test cases are failing for certain reasons, maybe due to locator issues or those kind of things, then also this is going to help analyze root cause analysis. So at least AI tools are there, so if failures are happening, so it should analyze the failing reason, and it should also give the RCA or root cause analysis of the test cases, so that we have less effort to maintain the test cases. So this is also mainly it helps with the visual testing related things. So you can go and check out this also. Another one in the row here, the sixth one, if you see Mbel, and this Mbel actually is again #1 native AI test automation platform. Everyone says that, like, nobody is #2, it's #1 everyone. So basically empowering software teams. So if you go and check out here, actually what it helps us with, it helps with web application, mobile application, performance, API, accessibility, AI, auto healing, cross browser testing, and it has multiple integration also, like it helps with multiple integration, Jira, Postman, GitHub, GitLab, and so many things. And if you see over here what they are helping, basically, so they are helping us with create coverage, reduce manual testing. So some of you were asking what are different manual testing tools are there. So you can check here also. Most of the AI tools are related to the manual testing itself. They help us with doing manual testing related things, like creating the automation test cases, creating the test cases basically. So regression testing, this helps with end-to-end user journeys, Salesforce testing, QA for DevOps or for executives also. So there are many things, and these also is going to have the features like you can work in team basically. So all of these things is going to happen. Okay, so now next is the seventh one in here is SLQ. So this is the new addition in this list, where this is going to help. SLQ is another tool which helps with automate web, automate API, automate mobile, and automate manual. That means integrate test management platform for manual testing and test planning. So if you wanted to use it for manual testing and test planning, this AI tool is going to help you with that also. You can automate different types of APIs, REST, SOAP, Kafka, MQ, microservices. So it has different types of API coverage. You can use this automating web, so codeless AI record and instant playback across web, desktop, cloud. So basically most of the AI tools I had observed that this helps with record and playback, where you have to record your actions and then it is going to convert that into a web automation. So basically it is going to write code in backend, but you need not to deal with the code. So it is kind of less low code kind of tools nowadays coming with related to the AI tools. So this is basically AI based unified platform with embedded test management, full stack, web, API, mobile, desktop, mainframe, manual. So everything it helps us with. Now let's go back and see another one, which is Kusho.ai. So what it does basically, Kusho AI is specifically for API related testing. So it does not deal with different types of testing. So you won't be seeing over here related to the web or mobile or something like that. It is specifically a niche product for API. So you can see your never test your APIs manually again. So it has, it creates hundreds of test cases in just a couple of seconds actually. So I have created a video specifically on Kusho.ai also. You can go and check out that video, and I'll give that in the description also. You can check out that video as well. I have created how it is going to create multiple test cases in just seconds, few seconds actually. So this is also very good tool if you have just requirement of using API test cases, then also you can use that. Now next is number 9, which is TestComplete. So this TestComplete actually is a product which helps you with multiple things. API Hub is one of them, API development, API portal development portal, API integration testing, validate, API functionality. So all of this ready API also nowadays, automated API testing platform, everything it helps us with. You can also have test management with Gen AI. So basically rest of your, I think, AI tools were not that much or they haven't mentioned anywhere related to the test management, how you can manage the test cases. But this particular specific tool, actually AI tool actually helps us with managing tests also with Gen AI, codeless automation with Gen AI, automated visual testing, real browser and device cloud, Zephyr integration, and automated UI functional testing. So there are many things it helps us with. Performance monitoring also, how tests are performing and what different things you can do. You can check over here also. This is also a good AI based automation tool or AI based tool which helps us with so many activities in software testing. Now the last one, which is I mentioned as my personal favorite also. In here, if I go and check, this is testim.io. So testim.io, actually, if you see, this is also a kind of playback and record, and this comes with Tricentis company. And if you see the products over here, this also shows as Testim. Basically it helps us with web and mobile application testing Salesforce. So you can test Salesforce application over here also. So codeless, this is also intuitive and fast because of AI. So here testing mobile. So they have different product category actually, and this testing mobile helps us with iOS and Android based testing also. Testing Copilot actually helps you with doing testing related tasks using AI. So all of those things helps us with. So solutions also, if you see, you can see how root cause analysis helps test operations, test stability, reduces maintenance, because that most of the time actually takes takes in maintenance itself, right? And fast automation, you can write test cases or automate test cases with faster speed, so that helps with more increasing productivity. So this also I have covered in one of the video series where I have covered how you can write test cases in Testim. So you can also check out that video. I will give the link in the comment or in the description. You can check out that as well. So that was all in this particular video. I have covered 10 different AI tools which are going to help software testing related tasks. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and if you think this video is going to help others, please do share. And you can also let me know what different types of videos you wanted to listen to me, and I am going to make videos on them as well. Thank you. See you in the next one.